It's Jen from Rustic Rehabs. We are at the Menomonee Falls Goodwill. It is Thursday the 2nd, and I've only got like 20 minutes to shop. I've already been to the Restore and got a little table. I've got a reel that I'll show you on that. Got some other good stuff too, but let's go see what we can get for spring here. And it's a new year and I'm full of inspiration. Make sure you hang on to the end till we talk about what we're doing for 2025. This sold for $12.99 to a local. It is so cute. So they stopped doing their half off tag sales. Does that mean that they're gonna mark things differently? Let's see. This is $7, which is a good deal, but it definitely will need a paint job and it's plastic. Rescuing and painting is what we do. I always start out by cleaning my pieces with Crud Cutter. I use the yellow bottle. It takes off a lot of gunk and gets the surface ready to go without rinsing. I mixed some letterpress gray and prairie gray to try to use up some of my letterpress gray that was left over, and it made a really good grayish. These are both clay-based paints from DIY, and the clay is gonna stick so well to this plastic. And essentially, it's not gonna look that much different, but the paint job is going to be good. It's not gonna look bad, chippy, and it will be available. I'm heat gunning it just a little bit to move the process along for the video. Otherwise, I let things dry naturally. That's the best move. All the DIY clay paint needs to be sealed, but first I am grabbing Dark and Decrepit. It is a water-based stain and patina, and I'm using this as kind of a glaze. I'm using a chip brush to give a very jagged finish and make some of this look like wood in the texture. I'm also adding a bunch of water to thin it out. And then when that is dry, I take my Big Top, which is the liquid top coat, and I seal up all the paint and we blend it at the same time. Reminder, here's the old chippy gray finish and here is the new finish on my blue wall. I love this. I think it looks so much better. What do you think? You can do this with the paints and products, or I can do it for you. I've had this before on a different thing, so this is cute. Let's take that for $3. Because my Goodwill's music was turned off, because they have all their commercials about their discounts and they were fixing it. So I'm doing less voiceovers today, but expect next week we'll go back to regular. My Goodwill plays loud music. These are cute, kind of mixed media, but I'm gonna use them as inspiration to make some stuff like this. Let's see. $5. Think about it. Let's see, this is $7, originally 15 from Ross, but I like it. It's really I'm also used to people watching me while I do this, but I'm not used to talking to myself, so I'm kind of whispering. It's super cute for $2. Also inspires me to make something. Also, please don't use the comments to complain about Goodwill. They're a business, I'm a business. I'm just telling you how it is. I really don't want to hear how bad they are. I know they do good things too, so let's just keep it focused on fixing the junk. Stick around till the end and I tell you about our virtual paint option coming up this Wednesday night as a demo. This is pretty cool. Not cool enough for $7. It's kind of cool for $5. Made in India. Cute cow picture, $3. I say yes. Think about these owls for $7 each. Normally 30 at Pier 1. Let's give them a whirl. This shade is really pretty, and I think I have a lamp that it might look good on. Let's check for cracks. Aisle in, and this is my cart. Hoochie Mama. Tchotchke aisle. Okay, these guys are cute. Look at how cute they are. Put them away for fall. $2 each. One's a little wobbly. Oh my gosh, this is cute. Very cute for $3. I am over nativities after all this Christmas, but I had to just check in case they were super cheap because the big ones do really well. Who else had a wax warmer that you had to put those Yankee Candle little cups in? Anyone? I grabbed this. It's metal for a couple of bucks. I think it'll look cute in a farmhouse kind of chippy sort of vignette. I like these handles, but I don't know about for $5. Okay, that's funny. Sophomoric, but funny. What is this? Oh, this is a cute little jewelry box. Maybe it's a gentleman's box. $3.99. The Bombay Company. I feel like this wouldn't even need anything done with it. It just needs to be staged and loved. Actually, it's got a couple of them here. Yeah, those are kind of cool, but too much for resale. Oh, that's sad. Can we save this? I think maybe we could save this because I think it will end up in a dumpster if we don't. Both of the pegs are there. Dowels. I think we can save this. This basket is super cute. Oh, it's a little bit broken here. I think we'll pass. Use the baskets that I have. Look at this one made out of corn. Little corn husks. Oh my goodness. Drop me a comment. Have you ever seen a basket made of corn pieces like this? I have not. Dolls maybe, but not a basket. All right, this is kind of cute. The plant is a little... It's not too bad. Let's see. This is for $5. I think I know right where I'm going to put this. I think this might be cute with a paint job. It's a little too shiny. Get that sachet out of there. What do you think? All right, let's paint it. I start by taking out the succulent that was in there. I thought it looked kind of cheap, and I knew I had ones I liked better. Then I take off the price tag and try to get that sachet out of there. I'm really just cutting a hole in it and trying to get all of that old potpourri out, and then we can go to town. a little clean with crud cutter, and then I'm going to be going in with a little black dress, adding a little bit of a top coat to seal that in, and then using some white swan to make it very farmhouse. This is one of my favorite things to do, is take things that look outdated or look kind of low end and try to make them look higher end. You may think it looks great how it is, and that is fine. Make it for your home. I see potential in this to make it look a little bit more farmhouse or a little bit more modern by just toning down the shiny baby blue. Here I'm taking a little bit of glossy top coat, and I'm just top coating most of this so that when I put the white paint on, it doesn't blend, because DIY paint is really made to blend, and it does so fabulously. I'm doing one coat here, and I'm not going for full coverage. I really want some of that black to still poke through and make it look really sweet and old. And I love, love, love these succulents. What do you think? Here's the before and after. I think it just looks classic and could go in so many households. You're cute. $1.99. Yes. This might have been one of my favorite finds because I took it home and I put a spider plant in it. I actually just stuck the plant in there, and I need to get some dirt and do it the right way, but it looks really, I'm a little bit boho and a little bit farmhouse in my house, so I think it's perfect. You guys love these little boxes. I sell a lot of these little boxes, and this one looks so cute for Valentine's Day. We filled up a couple of carts, and I spent $89 after $10 in rewards. I'm not going to freak out about Goodwill's changes. I'm going to see how it goes and take it from there. Today we had a party with our team. Look at how cute we are. We've included Finley the cat until he jumped away.
Let's do it again.
Crystal hosted us in her beautiful home, and I posed on her little seatee. Isn't this thing cool? It's so cool. So join me Wednesday at 5:30 Central to learn about our new virtual open paint option. Here's a peek at some pieces that we have available for custom painting. If you see one, message me because these can go quick. I'm also include some pictures of the shop because we've got some amazing pieces in there as well that are available. This is also going to be the last week of our 50% off of Christmas because we're packing it up and we're looking forward. We've got a new kid table too for the big kids, so big and little can hang out. We did a lot in 2024. This year's words are community and connection. We love hosting your events and getting creative and creating more community with you. Message me to set something up. Also, don't forget to check out our paint classes. We've got at least 10 classes set up for paint a piece of furniture, and every Thursday night is open paint in store. Again, don't forget, join me Wednesday night to talk about virtual open paint. Thank you so much. See you soon.
Buddy.
Buddy.